Welcome to Lydia's Cuisine. Today I'll be doing something different because I'm excited to open up my new box from Wildtree. Look at this beauty. I'm unboxing for the first time and it's well packed. Wow. Spice up your life, make a difference, build a legacy. Wow. What's this? Ingredients of this box. Oh, this is what it contains. The catalogs, the order forms, the products, Italian and Mexican party packs, taco night giveaways, 2018 steer invitation, and everything else. Wow. Your future never tasted better. I'm so excited. What's this? This is taco night box. It contains all the it has the fiesta salsa, it has the guacamole 10-pack, and it has the chipotle lime. Wow. And this little fold down little pockets are the ones I'm gonna put in my little samples to give to my clients. Wow, let's see what's here. Mexican party pack. It has the fiesta salsa, the guacamole 4-pack, the chipotle ranch, and the taco seasoning 4-pack. And it has the little it has the recipe on the back. These are for the party pack, Mexican party pack. Wow. What else have we got here? Italian horse party pack. Wow. This has the spaghetti 4-pack, the Alfredo horse 4-pack. I'll be actually using the Alfredo horse 4-pack in my next video. I'll be making shrimp Alfredo. Garlic galler. This is everything. And then the Italian 4-pack. The Italian party pack has the recipe at the back. What else does it have? And it has the little envelopes where I'll be putting in the samples and sending them to my clients. Look what's here. Cranberry poppy seed vinaigrette and roasted garlic grapeseed oil. It has the ranch steak rub and the lasagna skillet meal seasoning. I'm so excited that I joined this company, amazing company called Wildtree, and it focuses on natural, organic, certified, and pure ingredients. So this is an amazing opportunity that anyone can join. So in case you are interested in joining the business or purchasing by supporting me, purchasing some of these ingredients and products, please Click the link below in my description box for more details. Thank you and God bless you.